What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing great. I know I'm doing great, because if y'all are seeing this, that means your boy is finally able to get back on the water. Been a long time coming, been a lot of things going, but we're back on the yak, baby. We back on the yak. We're gonna see what we can do today. While looking to catch, I want to get a slam. That's the goal. We're out here in Jacksonville, Florida. So we're gonna see what we can do today. We're gonna get some fish on. It's me and my pops out. He's on his yak, I'm on my yak, and we're gonna get the job done today. I'm rigging up right now. We're both rocking one rod. I'm not sure what he's gonna be throwing. I think he's gonna be throwing a paddle tail or something like that. He'll find something. But I'm gonna be throwing this weedless, like this fluke style bait, but it's not. I'm not gonna rig it weedless. It's gonna be a fluke style bait, but it has a shrimp tail on it, so it's a little different. I'll make sure I show you guys that. I'll show you guys that right now, actually. So this is what I'm gonna be rocking, and I'm just gonna be bouncing that bad boy off the bottom and casting around and seeing what we can get. Right now we have a falling tide. Tide is falling, so definitely looking forward to it. It's close to a full moon tide, not really yet, but we getting there. So we're gonna see what we can do. We're gonna make it happen. Alright, y'all. I think I might have a fish on. Let's see. Yep. Flounder, baby. Flatty, baby. Flatty, baby. Flatty, baby. Oh, I have no net. Oh, I just realized I have no net. Let's go. I knew it was gonna be one in that cut, baby. Boom. Come on. Alright, gangsta got me. Alright. Let's go, boy. He smoked that lure too. There we go. Hooks up. Strong for me, please. There you go. Good. Great strong kick. Perfect. Alright. Let's get it. More where that came from. Let's go. I got another one. This one's much smaller, but that's two, baby. Okay. Much smaller, but that's two, baby. Give me the camera, all right? Yes, sir. Much smaller. That's our second one. Let's do it. Going back. I think there's something up there. I don't know if they're mullet sticking their like heads up. The mullet do this thing sometimes where they start sticking. that red? Mother do these things sometimes where they kind of like stick their noses out of the water. And I think I see some of them doing it up there. But then far behind that, I think I see, oh never mind, it's just grass. I thought it was a red tailer. I was about to say, boy. Definitely about to drift off a little bit and start making some angle because something just blew up and down, back up that way. Oh. Got something. Okay. Y'all, that happened so quick, I didn't even get time to get a reaction. I just felt the hit, and then I was just kind of on. That was on that little white tail I had just switched up to. Which is cool. Which I'm going to show y'all that in a second. That's what I got him on. Just a little paddle tail. Kind of looks like a pokey or a pilcher, whichever one you prefer, or a greenback. Kicked off. Birds are like going crazy. I look up there and there's like a bunch of stuff pushing. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know if they dolphins or fish. I'm paddling over there though. If they dolphins, we run. If they fish, we chase. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know though. It was a lot of weight, but I haven't seen one pop up. Usually after like dolphins chase stuff, they usually tend to just like pop right back up. But I ain't seeing her. And all these birds still sitting over here, so I mean, like, I don't know, I'm nervous, y'all. Oh, what you coming this way for? Ain't nothing behind me, gangster. I'm going where y'all was going. But yeah, there was like a lot of pushing. I left this, I literally just hooked, like I caught that flounder, and I like turn around, get myself situated, and then the birds is flying and all that stuff, so I don't know. Nah, I kind of feel like I don't feel smart about this decision. Just call 1, 2. Yeah, see? Yeah. Alright. Let's move. Yeah. Yep, redfish. Redfish. Oh my gosh, those are redfish. Come on, calm your nerves. Make some good casts and get on them. Make good casts, let's get on them. The reds are back. They're sitting over here. They just had a few of them just come and roll and blow up and stuff. I'm trying to see if I can get one. Just want to see if I can get one. That's all I need. Got one. Got one. I paused it for a second and I got one. Let's go. Come on, baby. Yo! Yeah, come get some. They schooling. Or try to. Oh, this is a nice red, boys. I don't know if he's big. I don't know where the hook's at. I think I see it. Nice red too. Ah, Jesus. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Oh. I think he's barely hooked, y'all. He's barely hooked. Yes! Boom! Boom, boom, boom! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Come on! Barely hooked too. On the paddle tail. Come on! Show me something. Alright. He just kicked off. I still see him. He's swimming off. Alright, everybody. So that's going to conclude our video for today. As you guys can see, we had an epic day out here. Fantastic. Caught a bunch of fish. Didn't end up getting the slam like I had wanted to, but it's all good. I caught enough fish. I cannot complain. If you guys liked everything you saw, like, comment, subscribe. Comment some questions you guys may have down below. Other than that, thank y'all for watching and have a great day.